Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we finished all the sub-questions of question number 1 in exercise 13a of Indefinite Integral chapter. Today we'll be continuing and we'll be doing all the sub-questions of question number 2. So let's begin. Okay guys, so the first question is the integration of cos 5 minus 3x. Now we know that when we differentiate sine x, we get cos x. So when we differentiate sine 5 minus 3x, we would get cos 5 minus 3x. But we would also get the coefficient of x in the answer, which would be minus 3 cos 5 minus 3x. So to integrate this, the answer would be sine 5 minus 3x, and then we'll put a minus 3 in the denominator, so that when we differentiate this and get minus 3 in the numerator, they cancel each other out and we are left with this. So the final answer is sine 5 minus 3x upon minus 3, or you could write minus 1 by 3 sine 5 minus 3x. Then don't forget to add the plus c, which is the constant, and when we differentiate this entire term, this turns into 0. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is 2 sine pi by 2 minus x by 2. And it's a similar process. 2 being a constant does not need to be put under the integral sign, so we can leave that outside. Now we know that when we differentiate cos, we get minus sine. So to get sine, we would need minus cos as the answer. So minus cos, don't forget the 2, same angle here. And we also need to put the coefficient of x, which is minus 1 by 2 in the denominator, and the plus c. Now seeing this, we can take the reciprocal of this into the numerator. And we're left with the final answer as cos pi by 2 minus x by 2 plus c into 4 here. But we also know that cos pi by 2 minus any angle is sine of that angle. So the final answer, the simplified answer, would be 4 sine x by 2 plus c. Let's move on to the third sub-question. The question is sine 3x by 4 plus 5. Again, it's the same thing. When we differentiate cos, we get minus sine. So when we differentiate minus cos, we're supposed to get sine. So we would have minus cos 3x by 4 plus 5. Don't mind the messy handwriting. And again, the coefficient of x would go in the denominator, and ultimately it will come up in the numerator as 4 by 3. And then we have the plus c. So this is the final answer. Okay, so let's move on to the fourth and the last sub-question, which is 4 sec square 2x minus 4 dx. Again, I'm leaving the constant outside and putting the integral sign over this term. And we know that when we integrate sec square of x, we get tan x. So when we integrate sec square of 2x minus 4, we would get tan 2x minus 4 and put the coefficient of x in the denominator plus c, which would give us the final answer as 2 tan 2x minus 4 plus c. That's the final answer. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video, we'll be continuing with all the sub-questions of question number 3 of 13a. So see you in the video, guys. Thank you. Bye.